Walmart just for these, and they are these glazed cappuccino, and usually my mom would yell at me if I go to Walmart just for this, but I want to do a reaction, like not really a reaction, but like how it tastes like from my point of view. So yeah, I'm going to try this for the first time, like literally the first time. Okay. Sorry. Okay, we changed our background. Okay. Oh my gosh, it smells so good.
It smells good. It smells kind of like cinnamon.
Like smell it.
It's cinnamon.
Oh, does it?
Yeah, it does.
Okay.
Smell it. You can try one now.
Okay, we're gonna have a try. Do you want to join us?
Jimmy, will join us? Okay, ready? We're gonna count 3. Of course, it's not
that bad.
Just count 3. Count that. It's like, it just looked like a brown. Like,
Okay, ready?
1, 2, 3.
Mmm.
Tastes like crap.
Good. I'm just kidding. No, it's not. Kind of good. It's not good or bad, it just tastes normal. It smells really good though. We're watching.
It's not an apple. It's just like this thing right here. It's like the eye was